Hello all, welcome to Project Helpers channel. Before going into today's topic, kindly subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will see the first program of RabbitMQ and Python. This video is the continuation of the introductory video. You can find the link of the part 1, that is installation of RabbitMQ, in the description below. Let's get into the topic. The installed RabbitMQ runs on the standard port 5672. Here, we'll be using few terms like producer, that is nothing but sends message, consumer waits to receive the message, and a queue. All the message flowing through our application in RabbitMQ are stored inside the queue. Okay, we all programmers know while we are starting with any type of programming language, we will start with, yes, hello world. So, in this case also we are going to start with our traditional hello world program. The producer sends hello that will be stored in the queue and consumed by the consumer. This is the flow. We will be having two programs. One is producer.py and other is consumer.py. So this is the producer.py program. Make sure you are installing Pika module using pip install Pika. This is used for AMQP protocol for the RabbitMQ. Then we are connecting to the local host. Here we are declaring a queue named hello, which holds the message we need to send to the consumer in the body. Now it is consumer.py. Here also we are importing Pika and connecting to the local host, similar to the way we used in the producer.py. Here we are declaring the queue named hello. This acts as the routing key for the publishing. As we used basic.publish in the producer.py, we will be using basic.consume in the consumer.py. So we are gonna start and check how it works. First we need to start the consumer.py. So this will be waiting for the message, and once we send the producer.py hello message, it will be received here. We can send as many times. This is bounded by the routing key hello. We can also check in the RabbitMQ. Once we are starting the consumer.py, we can see here the generator of the hello queue, and we can go inside this to check how it consumes. So as for now, the ready state and unactive state and total is 0 while we are sending the message to the consumer. So here the consumer becomes 1, that is the live, and we can see how it consumes. Can you see how it consumed? So if we are sending it again, we can see other message consuming. If you have any doubts regarding connecting to the local host, please refer to the part 1 video. That's all for today. In the next video, we can see how to connect to some other host rather than the local host, and also the program with one producer and multiple consumers. Thank you for watching. Happy building!